Hi, I'm Caitlin Murphy, and I'm doing the first affirmative rebuttal towards Bradley Klein's negative video. And in my opponent's video, one of his arguments was that helium-3 is not a viable energy source. And I just wanted to say that it is. It is a very good energy source and clean energy source. Scientists have been doing a lot of research and have come to the conclusion that it is possible to make helium-3 a clean energy source by the process of fusion that I brought up in my first video. And it just comes down to making it in large amounts and the temperature that they need for the fusion process. And so it is totally possible. It's just we need more advancements in our science. The second argument that my opponent also said was that it cannot be properly mined and harnessed. Helium-3 can be mined and harnessed on the moon by certain equipment, which leads me to my other arguments that my opponent said the equipment we need isn't easy to find and put on the moon. Well, with all the technology advancements that we have made, it is actually very possible that we can get the equipment that we need and put it on the moon. Many people said that we would never have cell phones or computers, and well, look where we are now. We have 3D printers, we have cell phones, we have computers that are super small now. We have smartwatches. I can talk to you on my wrist. So I think it's very possible to find the equipment that we need to harness helium-3. My opponent also talked about how if we did get helium-3, we probably wouldn't be as happy, and it probably wouldn't help with global warming, but actually helium-3 would be the cleanest energy source compared to fossil fuels, coal, and oil, and it would decrease health risks such as lung cancer and heart attacks that is caused by fossil fuels. It could also decrease global warming because the pollutions from the fossil fuels causes our atmosphere to warm up, hence global warming. And so if we have a clean energy source, then we would decrease our global warming. And he also said that we probably wouldn't be as happy with helium-3, but my argument wasn't that we need to be happy with our clean energy, it just we need clean energy because our world cannot sustain much longer with the amount of pollutions in the air. So my conclusion is that we do need helium-3. It does have the potential to be our main energy source. It can be mined, it can be harnessed, it will decrease global warming, air pollution, and health risks. And I think our world would be pretty freaking happy with that. we can make the equipment because our technology has come such a long way that I don't think it's impossible to put equipment to mine for helium-3 on the moon. And the amount of research and time and money that has gone into helium-3 shows that helium-3 is a good and clean energy source. So, thank you for listening, and have a great day.